Hey, it's Joel, and welcome to day 13 of the Joel Initial Vlog series, Summer to Remember. Now, much like yesterday, today there isn't any time for any video editing magic because today we are going to be relocating, so we're going to have to partially pack up the trailer, and we are relocating for the last 3 days of our stay here at Longhorn Ranch RV Park to spot number 1, which is kind of ironic because the people that are currently in spot number 1 are relocating to the spot that we're currently in. Right, so with that, I have a little bit to talk about. You might be thinking, well, Joel, is this another dumb situation of you filming the next day because you're lazy and fall asleep too early? Basically, yeah. But I just want to apologize for today's video being so short. I can't even do much about it because yesterday I filmed next to nothing due to me being basically feeling like crap yesterday. I got sunburnt. I don't really even know if you can see, but if I pull up my sleeve, you can kind of see I got myself sunburned yesterday, and I felt like absolute garbage, and I don't know if I just had a bug yesterday or something like that, but I feel a lot better today, so hopefully, well, tomorrow's video for you guys, or today's video for me, will go a lot better. But also yesterday, I was under the impression that everyone was going horseback riding, so I went to ride around the bike and basically turned off all of my phone data and stuff like that because the Wi-Fi is really cruddy around here and messes with the downloads that I have. So I just turned it off so that my videos would play like normal off of the downloads instead of trying to go through the Wi-Fi. So I had people texting me and being like, hey, you want to go to the store with us? And me not getting them was still under the impression that they were out horseback riding, but they were actually out shopping. So yeah, I didn't get to film much of anything yesterday because nothing really happened other than what I already filmed. We woke up, packed up the trailer, moved it, and that was basically it. So I thought as a little makeup, I'll go ahead and throw in a little montage of a couple of pictures that I've taken over the last couple days. But I got a lot of good pictures of different things the last couple days, so I'll go ahead and throw those in for you guys. But yeah, so with that being said, once again, I'm sorry for today's video or vlog being so short. I can't really do anything about it now, but hopefully day 14 or tomorrow's video will be a lot better, because hopefully with any luck we'll be doing a lot more today. But with that, I was Joel Hummy, your guys' host, and if you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it,